ଶୁଣୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଭାଇ ସେ ଆଜି ସେ ନାଲିଆ ପେଟି ଗୋଟେ ଆସିକି ହାବୁଡରେ ପଡିଯାଇଛି ବୁଝିଲେ ସକାଳୁ ତାକୁ 3-4 ହଜାର ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇ ସାରିଲାଣି ମନ୍ଦିର ଦେଖ। ହଁ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ହଁ ବୁଦ୍ଧିଆ ଭାଇ ହଁ ମୁଁ ଏଇଠି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେ ଟୁରିଷ୍ଟ ବାବୁ ଜଣେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମନ୍ଦିର ଦେଖଉଛି ହେଲା କି ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଅଧଘଣ୍ଟେ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଛାଡିକି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରୁଛି ତା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ହେଲା କି। ଆଚ୍ଛା ହଁ ନା ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ପରା ପୁରା ଏଇନା ବାବୁ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ସାମ୍ନାରେ ପଛକୁ କଥା ହବା। ହଁ ଟେଲ୍ ମି
George, tell me something about Konark Mandir.
Huh?
Tell me something about Konark Mandir.
କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର ବାବୁ ତୁ ଟେଲ୍।
Yeah.
କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର has no tell. ନାଙ୍ଗୁଡା ନରସିଂହଦେବ has tell. କୋଣାର୍କ ମନ୍ଦିର has no tell.
Tell means what?
ନାଙ୍ଗୁଡ ପରା ନାଙ୍ଗୁଡ।
No. It's T-E-L-L. T-E-double-L.
Tell. କହିବି? Speak. Yes. I can understand, I can stand, I can sleep on English.
That's so smart.
ନାଲିଆ ପେଟି ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ହାତ ମାରୁଛୁ ମାରିବି ଚଟକଣ୍ଟେ ପାଚିକି ତମର ଚୁଟି ନାହିଁ ଧଳା ହେଇଗଲାଣି। କୋଣାର୍କ ଟେମ୍ପୁଲ the king was Nanguda Narsinghdev. He was catching a khonda in his hand.
What?
Khonda.
Knife. Oh, big knife.
Big knife. Sword.
Oh, sword.
हाँ से sword जो धरुଥିଲେ କିଏ Nanguda Narsinghdev. When he was standing in his sword in his back तो sword ପଛ ବାଡ଼ିକି ଯଦି ନମ୍ବୁଥିଲା it looks like a Nangudo.
What?
Tail.
That tail.
तो Narsinghdev attached with Nanguda. Complete name Nanguda Narsinghdev. Son, Surya. Son. He wanted to puja son. कौन? या तो ढोगी चटकंडे ने son को से
What?
पूजा worship. तब जॉब करना चाहे तो मंदिर नहीं था. There was no temple for the son. तो he was decided to make a temple. ସେଇଠୁ ପାଖରୁ ସେ କଣ କଲେ 1200 ବଢେଇକି ଡାକିଦେଲେ 1200 ବଢେଇସ୍ sitting inside of the pathars stones having usaria knife having a haturi in his hand then pitting and making designing on stone.
As that hatra?
What is hammer बस hammer से गुड़ा ओगो उसारिया नाइफ हाथुड़ी रे हमारे हाथुड़ी हमारे पिटी की they make designs on stone attaching one by one this is a big attachment became Konarko
the temple sun temple
the leader of there the Barsabadich 1200 जो 1200 बढ़ाइस
what बढ़ाइस
who the pitting designing who
the workers
ना workers माटी ताटुले ना कौन worker को तो कौन भाग जो 1200 बढ़ी क्या मारिम चटकन सा नालिया पेटी कुआडू पड़ी आजी कहला workers हम को लेबर सा माटी ताटुले लेबर सब the designers on stone ताकर जे लीडर थिला ता नाउ जे बिसु महाराणा
what महाराणा
बिसु what is your name?
My name is Franza.
Ano?
Franza.
এটা না এটা କଣ କହିଲୁ ତୁ এটা ତମ ଅଭଦ୍ର କଥା କହୁନି ତ ତମ ଭାଷାର ନା ଆମ ତା ନା your name is Anupraslas ତା ନା ସେମିତି ହଉଛି ବିଶୁ ମହାରଣା his name is ବିଶୁ ମହାରଣା ବିଶୁ ମହାରଣା ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ one and only son was Dharma ନୁହେଁ ଧର୍ମା he at last come in that moment the 1200 bodies as pura bekas of the top the oak the oak of the mandir cannot
what now
pathar final stone cannot Dharma come
Yeah.
and he fix it.
Oh, is it really?
1200 body, 1200 body is tailed.
What?
If with that little dharma, child, if it can we do, तो हमें कौन सा नाथिया?
What is Natia?
Worthless.
What?
We cannot do something, anything. एते काम हमें करें.
Yeah.
But finally the final stone who can touch? The little child can do it. Chi.
What?
Chi.
Try.
I'm a bekar. We are worthless, we are fellow, we are nonsense.
Oh, nonsense.
Nonsense. He can do. Dharma को कथाटा बहुत बाधिला. The dharma shocked. And finally he चढ़िंग to oak and climbed.
Where is the og?
Where is the og? Og tapra og?
Where is the og?
This is the temple.
Yeah.
I had og.
Oh, that's the og.
Top.
Oh, means top.
The dharma चढ़िंग to the top and
Yeah.
ढिसियाऊं into the समुद्र. जो ना पीयूथ हुआ ये रखी काम धंदा नहीं कि 3-4 महला 50 महला 60 महला बिल्डिंग छाड़ के भंगा मंदिर पाखर पड़ुछ तुम.
Hey. So that Dharma climb on the top of the temple and then discount. What's the meaning of discount?
Huh?
What's the meaning of discount?
ढिसियाऊं.
Yeah.
धर्मपद climb to the og and ढिसियाऊं.
Yeah.
I ढिसियाऊं.
What?
This is the better way to show the meaning of words, the example.
Yeah.
I will give you an example what was the ढिसियाऊं.
Tell.
ढिसियाऊं. बस
This is meaning discount.
ଅଗୁ କୁ ଚଢିଗଲା ଦେଇ ପଡିଲା. ସମୁଦ୍ର ପୁରା ପାଖ କରିଦେଲା. ଅଗୁ he climbed to the top
Yeah.
and
Oh, then he jumped into the sea.
hoshi କଣ ହୁଏ?
Horse, not horse. That's sea.
sea ସମୁଦ୍ର.
Yeah, sea.
You go now the Konark. Now you go.
Yeah.
You see the samudra sea.
Yeah.
You see the sea.
Yeah.
Pakhapakhi 3 kilometers from the temple. Now the sea 2 kilometers far from the Konark temple.
Okay.
Then the public now confused the how dharma doing 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers how staying?
That's a point.
But there is no point. Point is I tell.
What?
The sea was very pakhare setale.
What?
Man sea was not 2 kilometers.
Oh.
sea pura attach. ସମୁଦ୍ର ଭିତରେ was କୋଣାର୍କ. ସମୁଦ୍ରକୁ ଇଆଡୁ ଷ୍ଟୋନ ପକେଇ ପୁତିଂ
Yeah.
and finally
Yeah.
the temple was standing. ତ ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ପୁରା କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ପାଣି ଭିତରେ standing, why ଧର୍ମପଦ not doing? So finally he made the decision to ढिसिगांव and he ढिसिगांव.
Then discount means jump into the
John and
Oh, then die.
हाँ suicide. नालिया पेती एते बुझी टुका.
Oh, suicide.
And this temple